Hey guys, calling it a done deal on AMC Gremlin. There's still a couple little things I'm gonna do to it, but I don't think I'm gonna wait till then to show you guys it. One thing I wanted to know what you guys thought, get your opinion on these bumper bumps. Now in the real car, they are black because they are real rubber bumpers. Now, do I dare paint those black or do I leave them like that? Let me know. And then also with these headlights, they're just the chrome one piece. I usually paint those white just to get a little bit of detail and make them look like a headlight, without doing a bunch of custom work and all that. How do you guys make them look more like headlights? I really don't want to make lenses and all that stuff. I know it can be done, but I'm looking more towards the paint method or something like that to get those to look more realistic. I got the side pipes on, got all the bumpers, and I got the little Gremlin on the back, and give it a clear coat. I didn't go super glossy. It is a race car. They're not going to go super glossy with it. And I went with some really cool blue glass with this one. It actually came with the kit. I actually have two of these. One had the blue glass, which is actually not this kit. It's the one that was on sale at Hobby Lobby for $7 a while back. And the ones that came with this kit was just the gray tint. And I thought this one would look perfect with the blue, and it sure enough did. The camera really ain't capturing it as well as it would if you're in person, but it is very bright blue, and it pretty much matches the blue that's on the car now. So as you can see, I'm flashing the flashlight on it to light it up, and it's about the same color blue as the other one. So all my chrome, I did bare metal foil. I feel that works the best. I did a wash on the bottom and on the engine to give it a little bit more detail. So, like I said, I didn't glue the body down. So, but there you can actually see the decals on the hood. The glass is a little bit dusty already. The little blue Gremlin logo. There's a motor with some wash on it. Got my fuel cell. So I drilled out the bottoms of the pipes. Even though you ain't gonna see it. Give it a little bit of a wash. But I got this glued down on the chassis. If not, I don't think it would ever sat down right. I didn't really show that. I got that little AMC logo on there. But as of right now, this one's done. Let's see if I can get it back together without destroying it. At first, when I was looking at this, I didn't think this was going to be as good of a kit as it turned out to be, but I'm quite happy with it. It's a fun kit. If any of you guys was lucky enough to get it at Hobby Lobby when they had a whole bunch of them for under $8, this was one of them, and it's well worth $8, that's for sure. So if you got lucky and got it with that, you might want to build it. There's two ways you can build it. You can build it the dragster way, or just the plain Gremlin way. This way is much funner. But one fitment thing is this did not really fit well in there. They had a different grill, so you could have had more of the racing style grill, which was just a mesh look. But that's that. There ain't much more to show. Oh, one other thing, I have a battery. I 3D printed it. I don't know if I can find it real quick. I keep forgetting to paint it, so it's another thing I gotta do. But I made it look like one of the Optima batteries. Big fingers in the way. I gave it the little ribs. Give it some standoffs on top. So I gotta find a spot to glue that and wire it. I think the one in the kit was showing it in the back, but I put that fuel cell in the back. So I guess you'd want the weight in the back so you can do the wheelies. We'll see where I put it. But if I do all that stuff, I'd show you in another video of a different update. So until next time, guys, have a good one. Bye.